as bad as people want to portray. So what me feed you a wife 6 times a day? I say, and yeah, I'm a
what is so be a complaint? Say, am I morning? Yeah, no, a formal appointee. Say, the chorus is kind of
oh, really?
Yes. Anybody who complains or mine, any other politician be a formal appointee of the NDC.
So things are good. We are not living in heaven, but things are not that bad.
Things are not that bad.
We've improved as a country.
As I'm going around Nkurasi, I've finished Asante region, I've finished Bono, I've finished Bono, I've finished Upper West, I've finished Upper East, I have finished all the 3 northern regions. Look, it's left with only Uti and then Afram place that we have to do. The planting for food and jobs, right? If you go and see the impact, it is speaking for itself. Look, we've reached at a point. Mimi Free say we should stop being politically blind. Yes, of my way. I can tell you, say the way swiftly crown on my opinion, President Nanado. Also, Mobana Baso, it takes a very brave man. Say, "Ku esi krobimu." Within that freshness, no, other small delegation, because very risky. So anything can happen to you.
Yeah.
But look at how brave President Nanado is. Look at how the youth were misbehaving. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
So such a lead, I mean, let's be honest. President project Ghana, Economy. President President Nanado is an enviable position because Uko Eko was on and answer BB. These are some of the things I say. Are you a good leader? Are you able swiftly to curtail and handle? And look at the conditions now they must for no. This shows whether he succeeds or not. Was set to start ban in a higher standard. I'm a Ghana. Any sitting president, whether I are Chibiga or anybody, can definitely vow for that position. Obenya, because of the record that President Nanado age. Consider look at his age and the way he thinks and the way his. I think, say, look, I was surprised. Say, say, NDC need be catching me. Say, was it my brother? Was it the way Papa were here Jumapano? Senka or Koji extension to go a third term. You vote for him.
Hey, really?
Yes, I was shocked, and we were all laughing about it. You see, you can criticize somebody, but his good work will expose you. Didn't you make us a John Dramani Mama? Mebra Penny Angel Kran say you were a sitting president. Your opponent wasn't a president. What Jeffrey was saying. You came back. He has used to power to show that yes, this is how we chop power. This is how we use power to maintain power. He has done it again. Now, if you allow yourself and go against Napo, a very nice gentleman that I really love so much. Okay, and go against.
You love Napo so much.
So much. He's a very hardworking. You create the way which he has restructured from the education side to where they put him now. Alan Chiramante is another fine gentleman, and my brother Baumia. If you go against one of the norms, you will take as a former president. The standard and the how do you call it? The standard and the integrity in terms of your status. No, apart from what did they mention? It is about fine. You are sure once, but fine say you were because you were up there, you had the guns, everything. So enjoy and enjoy the big but also beautiful that God has given you. It's a country by itself that you can manage. Are you getting me?
Okay.
I'll have everything that he has, where he has been, and everything with what he has enjoyed. I don't need
Ghana politics. We see him as a guru. So if you are able to set an example with somebody like that, it would only send say. No kura where papa penny or when you seek a one a Japan no crown and running in every say then how much more about me or mommy 20 Ghana saying could to trust him. But unfortunately, political zone people, most of you didn't help me. Some of you did well, some of you sent your money. Since I started now, we have not even reached even $600. Since you started.
Oh, wow.
Oh yeah. We have not.
Send you message sent Kafa. We know if I send mommy.
Because people were saying Momo, but the Momo no, it will not help us because Momo was Ghana. Me patron say what I say, and I miss me in Ghana. And I face lawyers.
Western Union, my true Western Union.
Me patron Western Union. Ube to me aye. Intina me ka say wa open no. We are the Western Union. They say I me make us say yes, sister Bako. Or send it through you kind of saying MoneyGram, but I haven't been able to even go and collect it. Due to my work schedule and stuff. Into the American and say PayPal no be a problem one. Utumi send the real transfer, utumi send it any kakrebia because I have over 12,000 followers. Madam, Sanka each person out of the 12,000 or say emu 2,000 cry cause okay, mema $5. krana. Do 5 times 2,000. That's a lot of money. We could have been able to get this team of lawyers. Now you try to take it. Platform, no, you're selecting like people on there. Say, Munko time, I mean, like lawyers, and let's go down there. And I'm ready to go down there and put my life on the line so that we set an example. Last me to us and the political zone platform back one me wants to say ye che omwa to say mamia go fake pregnancy near there. We should set examples with them near there. And I'm say it is good to set examples, so but and now madam eba pra a pro free anuti. So what you say? Because ye che armed robbers but they still go out and rob. But if you are able to stop that thing or to stop something that will prevent them from stealing her, it is better than you trying to say so punishment. Let's bring you to let's bring you to Yankasa Yankole Yenina Ewu Omi. Akolebi wa obono ba ku mielu miensa na wa ye used to it. I feel do obe me pa me ma me kra obebo me keke mfa me ho. You understand? But when you are able to plug the thing from the top, ya chi ofu so ampofo aba newsum ya de gina court ya wo mu ana fi double salary for no e de ene e de omo akọ enu kura be ma leverage ma ya nya bigger companies e be di e chi say Mr. Mahama ne Airbus na fe o metire yimu ne Airbus no o metire yimu because it was under his supervision and he had namely ametepe he had cocaine man no e de ko fa presidential villa e fa presidential jet e fa presidential de ko gu ya ni mu as wo UK. It was under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Enti me betra na me ka se me nuanu mo e mo fa €1 mbre o €2 mbre enya me kwesi na me kodi. I wanted us to set an example. Na obi who say Ghana na mo se mbre ni o na mra wo ho. Na me kura na I was willing to take it a step further. Says Ghana ye just say omo be yes no e penny to omo be kataso mo aso meti atidom na afa lawyers straight to Hague. Ombra ho. Na ombra me na no. But people didn't, and me too. I don't like idea say be anya ska me kodi. Me person na me kopa we cho na me kopa we. So how do this idea me dia ba na commendable. Me enu yanko one-on-one. For the entire would say the country need to be fixed. Near the Kodia would not so I would casano. Fabra and I'm swing out the aya fixing what is being fixed. Now you are here who you obey Jimmy for at the end of the day. But my main trade I will come to you at appropriate time to expose your ignorance and your stupidity. What I'm saying again, and I say all the government here by here say ye be ye Ghana ye be ye Ghana ye. If all of them fixed what they said they would have fixed that, I believe some Kenya and they say unama bonti and who can face the country I want to see. Because you have fixed the country. Now, maybe I can't say you are more these days the amoye. You know who say IGP fix the country is working. We are forcing them to talk. More papa. Fix the country, about that. You starting say you think for Ghana, yay. Now me catch them say mo ankasa no. I don't know and develop more social media fanatics. Hey, yes, I glad I could you. Hey, near you. Yes, you see them. Yeah, near you. Jimmy, that is all you guys know. But the ban of call substance are over 85% of you bloggers online. You are empty chaff and tete. Because I can kanya moting and antias so aya moting. You understand? You guys sit down, go onto platforms. Yes, we are paying no makofa. Yes, your pimphobia is no makofa. Yes, we are paying no makofa. Not the camera business and him and Jimmy. I don't do my shit like that. Emma, I don't do my shit like that. And everything I put out, if you think you have the alternative, I always tell you, now me there in the